We love him because he's creating all this volatility in the markets, which is providing us with the opportunity to make money. But at the same time, you really got to be careful of what you're doing and make sure you do not get your face ripped off in the process.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, May 8th, 2025, and you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, equities rose ahead of President Trump's US-UK trade deal announcement, with the Nasdaq up 1.3%. The dollar strengthened above 100, pushing EUR/USD to 1.12, while GBP focused on the trade deal and Bank of England BOE policy. Gilts gained slightly. US Treasuries and bonds dipped. A stronger dollar pressured gold, and crude remained driven by geopolitical risks. Upcoming events include US jobless claims, BOE decisions, central bank speeches, US supply, and earnings from Coinbase, Shopify, and others. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Starting with the currency pairs and syzygy. AI Edge, let's see what the system is teeing up for us today. First currency pair is Aussie dollar, US dollar. Right now we are currently in a downtrend, but we have found support here at this level, which is roughly 64, 185-ish. I expect, Dave, how about that? I'm going to do predictions. I'm going to do Karnak. So right now, the last trade signal was a short right there, which worked out just perfectly. Since we have been skidding off the bottom of this support area, I believe that when the next signal that fires is going to be in a long position, and this would be approximately where you would target. So that's 64, 600-ish. That's where your profit target would be, and your stop loss is somewhere right around there. What is that? 64,026. Okay. Yeah. Right now, AI is bullish. So we have some upward pressure. RSI is in the poop emoji mode, so we won't worry about that. There is a weak trend, but trend D is bullish as well. If you were a gambler, you could place a long position right here and maybe place a stop right under it and see if what I just predicted holds true. All right, next up, euro, pound. This is another one that's almost exactly the same, and I'm actually in this trade. Right now, it's currently in a downtrend. The last signal was a short, but we've skidded to a stop on this support area here. Is a pretty big support area. I popped in here just right before our call. And what I expected this to do is to move to the upside. As you can see, my profit target is way up there. So we'll see if I'm right or not. I put my stop loss down below this secondary support here to give it a little room to breathe, and we'll see how that works out. So right now, RSI is in neutral zone. We do have a strong trend. So we'll see what happens with that going forward. The AI is bullish, so that supports my theory. And there's a lot of orders up here. That was on news this morning for the pound dollar. This little thing formed. So we'll see if that works out for me or not, this trade. Hopefully I'll make a little bit of money.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
Finally, US Canadian dollar. This has been a steady eddy since yesterday. Just going to the upside. Did a little temporary pullback here and then hit this support area last night. The current signal is long, and we have been heading in that direction ever since, and nothing seems to be changing the course of this. I think this is riding a little bit on the trade agreement that Trump announced with the UK yesterday. He's also going to talk today, I think at 10. Really be careful around that period of time. We love him and hate him because we love him because he's creating all this volatility in the markets, which is providing us with the opportunity to make money. But at the same time, you really got to be careful of what you're doing and make sure you do not get your face ripped off in the process. So we are in the neutral zone on RSI here. We do have a pretty strong trend. And right now, this trend is the longer term, the medium term trend is to the upside. The short term trend is bearish. AI is also bearish on a short term. Remember, these guys are only predicting out like maybe the next candle or the next few candles, whereas this is more of an indicator of the overall medium term trend. Any questions, comments, or concerns?
System's working pretty good, giving
Yep.
good signals.
Yep.
That's about it.
It's pretty steady Eddie, so I'm pleased with the results. We just gotta just not do stupid stuff. That could,
Like putting in an order before the signal.
yeah. Oh, I've never done that. Uh-huh. Yep.
All right.
Okay, dude. Have a good day
You too.
and happy trading.
Yep, happy trade.